Hello everyone, good day.
Hi.
So this is our last meeting for the 6th week.
Finally,
We
we
have
arrived to this week.
we have gone through all this 6 week with all the problems and congrats everyone.
Finally. It's kind of sad that we're not having our night meeting anymore. That's right.
Been doing for 6 weeks. So let's discuss what have we done so far.
How was the drawing, Teha?
I had did the drawing and I think it's quite good. It's such a beautiful art piece.
Now it became art.
Yeah.
So you have an artsy hand already.
Yes. Hand of art, artistic. I'm really before I enter UPMKB, I work in craft shop. So I've done a lot of artistic things, but I've learned it from others. So I try to learn it from experience and apply it on my drawing.
Can't wait to see your drawing. I bet you have the problem in making a storyline, right?
Yeah.
Because you also face some problem for the drawing. Before this, I was facing the problem every time when it comes to making the storyline. That's why I always end up knocking on you guys' door and then asking you guys to help me, right?
Brainstorming for me.
Yeah.
But this time I've added some because before this we only have 4 panels. So for this time I make it more.
For the
Since
last time, right?
Last
The final straight. Yeah.
How about you guys? How's your
Because I took the video editing part and I really have no idea to edit the video. But I guess with one is assisting me, I'm okay. But the video is 12 minutes. It exceeded the 10 minutes, so it's really hard for me to compress. I don't know which part to cut, but I just let it be. 12 minutes.
yeah, it's okay.
Because that's the
But the video, but last week's video was awesome, right?
Yeah.
It was awesome.
We have fun doing it.
Yeah.
As for me, general writing, I don't really face many problems.
Yeah.
In Admado already have the guide on how to write also with assist also from Ika, so I think I did okay in general writing.
As uploading, I faced some problem last week while trying to upload the video, since there's a lot of students coming back from their holidays or
The
vacation.
Wi-Fi problem.
The speed become very slow and I had to use other choice of internet source.
Oh, so what do you?
I use my broadband.
I see.
So it means that you had sacrificed a lot for our crew.
Yeah.
Thank you. Your broadband for us. Thank you, Te.
Then as the group leader, reading the journal from Wani and upload and filling in the form for to submit the assignment for app model took very little time, because it's very easy, because in app model you just need to key in certain things. The only part that consume a lot of time is the uploading. Uploading the video.
I see. Yeah.
What about you, Anne?
For me, as I did the fine tuning part. So far everything is okay. I haven't actually complete my work. I'm halfway doing it. So fine tuning is actually quite, I can't say it's quite easy, it's just that it's quite it's
funny.
better than what I did before.
It's better than
It's better than
the
drawing.
storyline.
Because drawing you need to think about
I have to
storyline.
think. Have to think of the storyline and everything. So fine tuning is like you just have to edit. And you just have to put color and
Here and there.
yeah,
It's done.
just make the drawing nice. So far okay. Still another half
Halfway to
of
go.
it need to be done.
At least it can be done within the time frame.
Can. I guess maybe I'll just do it by tonight. I'll just settle it by tonight. So everything's just fine.
Then
Since that it's our last week, this week is our last week for LAX, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
it's gonna be different for next week because we'll be quite kind of free, right? We're so used to have this
Nightly discussion.
night discussion.
Lex tonight,
Yeah.
tomorrow. It's no more.
But I think it's in a way it's good because we're going to have final exam, right? So we will have
Other
more.
tests to prepare.
We will have more time to revise.
So how you guys feel about this activity so far, or throughout all these activities? Yeah, it kind of helps us a lot, right?
Yes, it's really helps me. I think.
Especially in terms of boosting our
way of
confidence.
you
Yes,
speaking.
boosting confidence,
Yeah.
communication.
Especially in front of a video recorder.
True.
honestly, at first, and I think that why we have this
Why we should have this, right?
Very weird
activities,
stuff, right?
activities. But now I realize that
It's a fun activity.
yeah, it's fun activity. If we're not having this LAX activity in our daily life, I don't really use English. But
We don't really talk in English, right? But
talk
after this discussion, we will talk in English,
yeah,
right?
English better.
We used to already. We already used to it.
Getting used to
Even before when we speak in English, also we speak mixed language.
spoken
And
English.
sometimes I can't remember what the words in Malay because sometimes I keep saying some words in English. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I'm Malay.
It's the benefits.
The benefits of thinking in English.
Guys,
How about
face.
you two? How do you feel about this LAX?
Awesome.
How about you?
It's good for our practicality because really need to have a good, fluent communication with others in English. So I think it's a practice for us. It's something that we need to manage our time, when to discuss.
Yeah.
And there's a lot
Discipline
of
us.
advantage from this like discipline, managing the time, practicing our English.
Do you guys notice anything else besides having to practice in English? Do you guys notice that our group is also awesome, right? Yeah, it's like this activity helps us to work with our group member greatly, and then if any problem we can discuss together.
Yeah,
So
our
it's-
communication with
yeah, our
each other.
communication skill with each other.
So for you third, you got bands 5, right?
So lucky, so smart.
Is
So
there
lucky
any
for
tips that
you.
you want to share with us? Because
Yeah.
after this, in the
advices,
next sem,
advices.
you have
You no longer with us.
no longer with us.
I'm still alive.
No longer nothing with legs and
Discussion.
any tips on how.
Yeah, because we still have LAX, right?
Yeah,
Next semester.
Tips on improving English, I would say read more English novels or watch English drama. The best one will be British drama because in Malaysia we use British English and
Yes.
not American English. Then if to improve the LAX one, I would say that mostly if based on LAX is video, if say like that, then you will need to boost your confidence because without that you won't be able to speak properly in front of a
Of the camera.
camera.
So after this, I'm going to watch a lot of movies
Yeah.
by your suggestion, right?
But don't let it affect your studies. Maybe if you all got problems, you can still find me because
Of course.
Yeah.
we are still friends.
I
You
will
don't mind,
find
right?
you
Still for
for
you
help.
and ask for your help. You don't mind.
I don't mind. Because
If we
usually
still find you to
it
upload
also
Yeah,
helps.
asking to you to upload our video.
That one needs to be considered. But if like asking for English in terms of English problems,
diction.
maybe I can help a bit. Because answering the question asked by you all is also helps me to improve my own.
Yes. I hope that I will be prepared to face for the next sem for our English class in the next sem.
Right.
Because it seems so
Yeah, it seems so
busy with
tough.
Going
lots
to
of
be-
words.
Tough and
Yeah.
packed with so many subjects and schedules. I hope we can catch up. That's all. I think so.
I hope for you all to catch up.
Please pray for us.
I'm trying.
I'm quite worried actually. I hope that we can catch up.
Maybe with your schedule will be much packed because they got
They got a lot more subjects.
Yeah.
18-hour credit.
In credits.
18 hours one?
18, I guess 18 also.
18
Same credit.
same.
I'm not sure, so I need to recheck. But yeah, as we
Because
each sem, including our college activity and our assignments, I really hope we can do it.
Yeah, we should
especially
be
if
prepared.
other than BBI, Cell and LAX doesn't have credit hour.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which means
Only
even if it's the same 18 credit hour, maybe it's longer.
Yeah.
But for sure we will get the certificate.
Yeah.
Right?
We will get the certificates.
Yeah, I hope that we can cope with all
Yeah.
those.
Can
Even
manage our time.
but now we don't really get to manage our time.
Very
We don't have a good
efficient.
time yet.
Not very efficient.
Not very efficient. That's all.
Is that all?
Is there anything? The last word from our group leader? Last word.
Last word.
This is our last meeting, like last meeting.
Yeah.
Last meeting.
Do your best. Be your best.
Thank you, Tan.
So that's all for tonight.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all for this semester.
Yeah,
For
this is
Also for this semester.
But don't
It's a
forget,
wrap.
don't forget to hand in our journal and our comic strip by this weekend.
Okay.
Better
And our
before
video.
weekend.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all. That's all.
It's a wrap.
Okay, thank